Vinyl records, those black discs that once dominated the music scene, are back. In a digital age saturated with compressed audio files, the allure of analog sound has captivated a new generation. It's more than nostalgia. Vinyl offers a tangible connection to music, a ritualistic experience from placing the needle to hearing the soft pops and crackles. But how do these grooved discs actually work? Let's delve into the fascinating world of analog sound reproduction. Vinyl records store sound information in the form of microscopic grooves etched onto their surfaces. During the recording process, sound waves are converted into electrical signals. These signals drive a cutting stylus that carves a continuous groove into a master disc. The groove's shape mirrors the sound wave's pattern. For stereo sound, 2 channels of audio are etched into the groove walls, one on each side. This master disc is then used to create numerous copies, the vinyl records we buy. At the heart of vinyl playback is the stylus, a tiny component often made of diamond or sapphire. As the record spins on the turntable, the stylus traces the groove's intricate path. The groove wall's undulations cause the stylus to vibrate. These vibrations are minuscule but carry all the musical information encoded in the record. The turntable's role is crucial in converting these mechanical vibrations into an audible sound. When you place the needle, or stylus, onto the spinning vinyl record, it begins a fascinating process of sound reproduction. The grooves on the vinyl are meticulously etched with the original sound waves, captured during the recording process. As the record spins, the stylus traces these grooves, picking up the minute variations that represent the music or audio. The stylus is connected to a cartridge which houses a magnet or a coil. This cartridge is a critical component, as it translates the physical movements of the stylus into an electrical signal. The precision of the cartridge and stylus is paramount. Even the slightest imperfection can affect the quality of the sound produced. The stylus, often made of diamond or other hard materials, ensures durability and accuracy in tracing the grooves. The stylus's vibrations cause the magnet or coil to move within a magnetic field. This movement is incredibly delicate, capturing the nuances of the original recording. The interaction between the stylus and the grooves is a dance of precision, where every tiny bump and dip in the groove translates to a corresponding vibration in the stylus. These vibrations are then transferred to the magnet or coil inside the cartridge. This movement generates a tiny electrical signal. The signal is a direct representation of the original sound waves, albeit in a very weak form. This is where the magic of analog sound lies, in the faithful reproduction of the original audio through purely mechanical means. The tiny electrical signal generated by the cartridge is a fragile echo of the music, needing careful handling to preserve its integrity. This signal, still very weak, is then amplified by a phono preamplifier. The preamplifier's job is to boost this signal to a level that can be further processed by the audio system. Without this amplification, the signal would be too faint to be of any practical use. The preamp not only amplifies the signal but also applies equalization to ensure the sound is balanced and true to the original recording. The preamp boosts the signal to a level suitable for your speakers, which convert the electrical energy back into sound waves that we can hear. The speakers take the amplified electrical signal and use it to move their cones, creating pressure waves in the air, the sound waves that reach our ears. This entire process, from the grooves on the vinyl to the sound waves in the air, is a beautiful symphony of mechanical and electrical engineering, bringing music to life in a way that is both nostalgic and timeless. Section 5. Analog warmth, the allure of imperfection. Vinyl enthusiasts often describe analog sound as warmer or more natural compared to digital audio. This warmth is not just a technical term but an emotional experience for many. When you listen to a vinyl record, you are not just hearing music, you are experiencing a moment in time. The slight imperfections, the occasional crackle, and the rich, full-bodied sound create a sense of nostalgia and authenticity that digital formats often lack. This perceived warmth is partly attributed to the inherent characteristics of analog sound reproduction. Analog sound waves are continuous, capturing the full spectrum of audio frequencies. This means that the sound you hear is a more accurate representation of the original recording. The grooves on a vinyl record are a physical manifestation of these continuous sound waves, etched into the surface with precision. Analog systems capture and reproduce sound as a continuous wave, mirroring the way we naturally hear. Our ears and brains are designed to process continuous sound waves, which is why analog audio often feels more natural and immersive. The continuous nature of analog sound allows for a richer, more textured listening experience where every nuance and subtlety of the music can be appreciated. Digital audio, while more precise in many ways, samples the sound wave at discrete intervals. This process, known as sampling, involves taking snapshots of the sound wave at regular intervals and converting them into digital data. While this allows for a high degree of accuracy and consistency, it can also result in a loss of some of the finer details and nuances of the original recording. The discrete nature of digital audio can sometimes make it feel less organic and more clinical. This difference in how sound is handled contributes to the unique sonic signature of vinyl records. The analog warmth, the continuous sound waves, and the physical interaction with the record all combine to create a listening experience that is both deeply personal and profoundly satisfying. For many, vinyl records are not just a way to listen to music, but a way to connect with the past and appreciate the artistry and craftsmanship that goes into every recording. Section 6. The Scratched Truth, Wear and Tear on Vinyl. Vinyl records, while durable, are not indestructible. Scratches and dust are their biggest enemies. A deep scratch can disrupt the stylus's path, causing audible pops or skips. Dust and dirt, if not cleaned off, can get ground into the grooves, adding noise and degrading sound quality. Proper handling, cleaning, and storage are essential for preserving your vinyl collection. Section 7. Vinyl versus digital, a matter of preference. The debate between vinyl and digital audio often sparks passionate discussions. Digital audio offers convenience, portability, and durability. Vinyl, on the other hand, provides a tangible, ritualistic listening experience that many find deeply satisfying. Ultimately, the choice comes down to personal preference. Both formats have their own unique strengths and weaknesses. The important thing is to enjoy music in the way that sounds best to you. Section 8. The Future of Vinyl, a Timeless Medium. Despite the rise and dominance of digital music, vinyl records have shown remarkable resilience. What began as a niche market has blossomed into a full-fledged revival. Resurgence speaks to the enduring appeal of analog sound and the tangible connection vinyl offers. As long as there are music lovers who appreciate the warmth and ritual of vinyl, this classic format will continue to spin its magic. Section 9. Conclusion, the enduring magic of vinyl. Vinyl records are more than just a way to listen to music. They are a journey back in time, a tangible connection to the past. Each record holds a story, not just in the music it plays, but in the physical grooves etched into its surface. These grooves are like fingerprints, unique to each record, capturing the essence of the moment when the music was recorded. They are artifacts of sound, each groove a time capsule preserving the artistry of musicians. When you hold a vinyl record, you are holding a piece of history, a snapshot of a different era. The tactile experience of handling a record, from carefully removing it from its sleeve to placing it on the turntable, adds a layer of ritual that digital formats simply cannot replicate. Each groove a time capsule preserving the artistry of musicians. The process of creating a vinyl record is an art form in itself. Musicians pour their hearts into their performances, and sound engineers meticulously capture every nuance. The result is a rich, warm sound that many argue is superior to digital recordings. The process from sound wave to spinning disc is a testament to human ingenuity. It begins with the recording of the music, often in a studio filled with vintage equipment that has a character all its own. The sound waves are then transferred to a master disc, which is used to create the molds for pressing the vinyl records. This process requires precision and skill, ensuring that every detail of the original recording is preserved, is a testament to human ingenuity. The manufacturing of vinyl records is a complex and fascinating process. It involves heating the vinyl to the perfect temperature, pressing it with the master mold, and allowing it to cool slowly to prevent warping. Each step is crucial to producing a high-quality record that will stand the test of time. So, next time you drop the needle on a record, take a moment to appreciate the magic of analog sound. The gentle crackle as the needle touches the vinyl, the anticipation as the music begins to play, and the immersive experience that follows. It's a reminder of the beauty of imperfection, the warmth of analog sound that digital formats often lack. Take a moment to appreciate the magic of analog sound and the intricate interplay of technology and artistry that brings music to life. Vinyl records are a celebration of music in its purest form, a testament to the enduring power of analog in a digital world. They remind us that sometimes the old ways are the best ways, and that the magic of vinyl will never fade, and the intricate interplay of technology and artistry that brings music to life. So, whether you're a seasoned collector or a newcomer to the world of vinyl, take a moment to savor the experience. Let the music transport you, and remember that with each spin of the record, you're part of a tradition that spans generations. The magic of vinyl is timeless, and its legacy will continue to inspire music lovers for years to come.